when the truth gets loud. Can't hide your sins from the rebel crowd. Spiritual soldier with a conscious mind. Leave the illusion and the lies behind. Jah light shine in the darkest place. No oppressor can escape that grace. From the ghettos to the villages afar, same struggle written in every scar. But unity is stronger than the guns they raise. We build a future through these conscious days. No tribal war, no divide and rule. That's the weapon of the wicked fool. Stand together, black and strong. Rewrite the truth in a freedom song. One fire, one voice, let it rise again. From Africa's shores to the Caribbean. No more silence, no more chains. We chant down wickedness, we break the pain. They fear the drum and the chanting sound, cause it shakes their throne to the ground. Every word like a lightning strike, truth so sharp like a rebel might. Teach the youth what they never told. History hidden, story sold. But wisdom goes where the roots stay deep, and the ancestors never truly sleep. Oh, Jah guide through the storm and fight. Keep the warriors standing in the light. No surrender, no retreat. Victory come when the truth we speak. So let the fire burn from shore to shore. We won't be silent anymore. With one voice strong we claim our place. Freedom rights for the human race. In the marketplace where the stories unfold, truth get traded but the lies get sold. Politicians smile with a serpent tongue. Promise sweet but corruption strong. We now bow to the golden throne. Truth is a seed that the people own. From the dust we rise, from the pain we grow. Righteous fire make the whole world glow. Hear the cry of the mother at night, praying for a child in a system of fight. Bullets fly where dreams should rise. Tears fall heavy from weary eyes. Still she stand with a fearless heart, teaching love from the very start. That strength alone is a rebel song, and through her voice we all